Hey everybody, so today I'm here with a pregnancy clothing outfit ideas video because I've been getting quite a few requests on how I keep myself up, how I keep myself looking put together during pregnancy. So I'm going to be sharing with you guys my little tips, my hacks for putting together super cute, super chic outfits that accentuate the bump. So right now, as you can see, y'all, I'm getting pretty big. I am now 6 months along, and of course, as most of you know, I'm carrying twins. I believe third trimester starts in a week. So this is like, it seems like it's going by so fast, it's crazy. But y'all know how I am. I don't care what's going on. I don't care how my body is changing. I always like to look nice and just look my best. One of the ways that I do that is I have a couple of staple go-to pieces in my wardrobe that just seem like they always work, right? I just find myself gravitating towards them because they're so easy to style. So I'm going to run down my personal suggestions for things that you should maybe look into if you are pregnant, planning on getting pregnant, things that you might want to have in your wardrobe that are super easy to style up and just be really comfortable and easy to wear. And the best thing about these things, most of them have been in my closet for a while. Like even before I got pregnant, most of these pieces are not maternity clothes. So another benefit is that you don't have to go out and buy a bunch of maternity wear that you're only going to use for a couple months. These are things that you can wear even after the baby is here. Seamlessly work in your wardrobe at all times. All right, so first up, the stretchy bodycon skirt. I actually have on one right now. See how easy that is to wear? So I have this one. This one is from Amazon, and I have this actually in a couple different colors. And I like these because they are just so versatile, so easy to wear. Just make sure with these you get a stretchy material at the waistband and stretchiness in the actual fabric. And usually this will stretch to accommodate however big that you get. And I have just really been living in these type of skirts my entire pregnancy. I really find them so flattering. I got all of these skirts in a size medium. After the pregnancy is over, I will still be able to wear these, so that is a plus. So this is how I paired the midi skirt. I got this cropped sweater from Forever 21. Snake print booties are from Pretty Little Thing. I have my Dior saddle bag, and I love a good neutrals outfit. I think these colors pair really well together. The snake print just adds a little pizzazz, and these booties are extremely easy and nice to walk in. So this I feel is a great fall look. You could also, I have my puffer coat. This is from Zara, and by the way, I have a little tank top thing underneath because this thing is super cropped. Like if you raise your arms, you'll see underneath. So I have something under there, but you could layer this puffer coat on as well when it gets super cold outside, but when you want to be a bit more bundled up and warm. All right, so here's another midi skirt outfit. I have this gray one. This is from Amazon. It's actually kind of like a dress. It has a top part to it as well, but I'm wearing it as a midi skirt right now. I really like the ruching on it. I just paired it with this sweatshirt from Pretty Little Thing that I got a long time ago. Duffel type bag I got from Zara a few years back. Threw on a baseball cap, and I have on these Nike sneakers. So this is a more casual, toned down, sporty type of look. It's perfect for a chill day. Maybe you're running errands, maybe you're picking up the kids, that type of thing. So yeah, I'm really feeling this. And as for the sweatshirt, it's actually a full-size one. I just tucked it under and stuffed it into my little crop top that I have on underneath so that it stays cropped. And I just think the proportions work better that way. So this is another midi skirt look. Next thing on my must-have list is a pair of biker shorts. Now, you guys, these are actually maternity. These are maternity biker shorts. I did have some biker shorts that weren't maternity, but the waistband, it wasn't very stretchy. So I did get these just to help with the comfort level. But if you have biker shorts that are super stretchy, they might work for you. But if not, you can grab a pair of these. I got these from Amazon. I love the high-waisted look of them, and they're just very quick and simple to throw on. With these high-waisted biker shorts, I just have on this cropped t-shirt from Forever 21. I put on this color block coat for a little razzle-dazzle, you know, just to amp it up a notch. And this is from Boohoo, I believe. My little peekaboo bag, and then some over-the-knee boots just to bring the proportions up, make this more fall appropriate. Another way I wear these biker shorts is just with an oversized shirt or sweater. So this long sleeve striped shirt is from Zara men's section. I got it in a medium, and I like how the stripes just break up all of the black. Got my peekaboo bag, one crossbody, threw on a hat, and the same over-the-knee boots. Another one of my top must-haves, you guys, jogger pants. But not just any jogger pants, okay? These, again, these are not maternity pants by any stretch of the imagination. So I can wear them anytime. I wore them before pregnancy and I'm wearing them now. But the jogger pants that I recommend, that I personally think are the best, are jogger pants from the men's section. Okay, so these are from the men's section. This is in a size extra large. Then I have a black pair and I got these from the men's section as well. And I just love that slouchy oversized fit, that baggy look, that ultra relaxed, casual, too cool for school type of vibe. That's right up my alley. So I love these pants. Men's joggers, you guys. You can dress them up, you can dress them down, you can put heels on with them, you can put sneakers on with them. All right, this is how I styled up the cream joggers. I have on this strong shouldered high neck sweater. This is from Zara. Now usually it hits right at the waist, but since, you know, I'm pregnant, my belly's protruding, it'll show a little bit of skin, especially since I'm not wearing any high-waisted bottoms, which, you know, I don't mind actually. And I think the padded shoulders really add to the proportions. It makes you go out here because I'm already expanding here. Popped on these boots. These are actually new from Zara, and I love the rugged outdoor type of vibe that they have. They have pockets on them. They're super slouchy, and the olive green color I feel is just perfect for fall. And I just thought that they would go great with this cream look. I threw on this Fendi bag. It's still all in the neutrals, earth tones palette, but adds a little print. Y'all know I like to add a little print whenever I can. So yeah, this is the look. As for the black joggers, I paired it with this embroidered, embellished cardigan, and it's really cool. It has a lot of patchwork on it. It's denim right here with this knitted sweater-like material on the sleeves and in the back. I actually got it from Amazon, really inexpensive. I have my Zara bucket bag, and then I paired this look with these ankle booties. These are by Sam Edelman. These are like one of my favorite pair of booties because they just look so cool with the tassels on the back. Gold strip just makes them stand out a little bit more. So that is the look. Kind of edgy, kind of different with this cardigan type thing. Something else I have been living in are bodycon midi dresses. This one actually is from Aritzia, and it's in a size, you will not believe this, y'all. It's in a size 2XS, double extra small. Usually I would have probably gotten it in a small, but I got it in a double extra small because this was the only size that they had in stock in this color, and I really wanted this dress. Actually, it has so much stretch to it. It fit just fine normally, and even now that I'm pregnant and I'm getting super big, it still fits. So I love this dress. I think it's such a good staple piece. Has a split, it's knitted, the material's really great, it's not too heavy, it's perfect, and you know, dresses like it, and it really just accentuates and brings out that curvature of the bump, especially as you get further and further along. So I find these stretchy bodycon dresses super flattering. But I have this one as well. This one is from Amazon. This is actually made to like go off the shoulder, which is super cute. All right, I paired this dress with this duster coat. I got this coat years ago from Boohoo. I have my saddlebag, and these snake print boots are from Forever 21. I feel like this is a nice dinner look, going out, night on the town. You know, you want to get a little jazzy. I actually am not sure which bag goes best, the black one or this one. I'm not sure. Which one do you guys like better? This one I feel just brightens it up a little bit, so I guess maybe it depends on your mood. You could also pair a dress like this with a cropped jacket. That's really nice as well. So I have two different options here. Changed out my boots just to all black. Again, they have a chunky heel. It's not super high, so these are very comfortable to walk in and be stable and all that. So first, I'm gonna put on leather biker jacket from All Saints. Super cute, a little more toned down, a little more simple, and bada bing, bada boom. We like. And then, if you can't tell by now, snake print is my jam, okay? Especially like in these neutral type of colors, they go with everything. So anyway, we have this one. And this jacket is from H&M. Got it a long time ago, a couple years back. So there we go. Just a couple more styling options with a dress like this. Here is a blush pink midi dress I got from Amazon. I paired it with this studded bag, have on some lace-up heels, and that's pretty much all you really need to do with a dress like this if you want to keep it ultra simple. I feel like this is a good like date night type of look. Next up, another thing that is super comfortable and just really great to have are some flowy, stretchy, wide leg pants. These chocolate pair are from JLux label. I showed these in a previous haul and I got these before I was pregnant. These are in a size small. They fit then and they fit now. So you can just pull it right over the bump. The elastic band holds everything up in place, and these are still super comfortable. So they stretch to accommodate my growing size, which I love, and I still look super fashionable. Also have them in white. White looks very clean and crisp, and they're also size small. Okay, so I just have these pants paired with this jacket. I got this from Amazon. I think it's a really great layering piece. I have this braided bag, which is also from Amazon, crop top from Zara, and then I just paired on these pretty low heels. They're really comfortable. So yeah, this is one look with these wide leg pants. Here are the brown pants. I just paired it with, this looks like a crop top, but it's actually a bodysuit, but I just tucked everything inside the pants. I got this from JLux label as well. I have my Fenty bag for a bit of print just to break up the monochrome. I have this duster that I got from Boohoo, same shoes. And yeah, it's a very simple look, but it still looks really put together and it's ultra comfortable, so I really love it. So just showing y'all, you don't have to break the bank. You don't have to run out and buy a bunch of maternity specific clothes. You can get clothes that will fit you now as well as later, or you can just look through your closet, see if you have these type of pieces, and you can rock them during pregnancy and not have to spend a dime. And then lastly, I have these stretchy jeans. Now these are maternity jeans. I only have one pair of maternity jeans, and that is because, I mean, I'm doing just fine with the staples that I just showed you guys, but there are some times when I may want to wear just actual pants. That's the one thing that I do kind of miss. So I got this black pair from Amazon. I like that they come in a couple different washes. They are skinny, tapered at the leg, pockets on them, so they look like legit jeans. It doesn't look like you're wearing something fake or anything like that. So this will sit right underneath your belly. The top here is stretchy, so this stretches out to however big you might get, and these are super comfortable to wear. I really love it, and I love that it looks like I'm wearing just, you know, regular pants. So that's why I like these. But again, I only got one pair because pregnancy doesn't last forever and I'm not about to spend a bunch of money on maternity clothes. But these I thought were a good buy, and they were really inexpensive as well. For the black maternity skinny jeans, I have on this red blazer from Zara, oversized button-up top. I've had it for so many years. I got it from H&M. Have on my saddlebag. I just changed out the strap to better match my blazer, and I have on these peep toe booties. These are really old as well. I got them probably, I don't know, maybe 5 years, 6 years plus ago, and they are by New Look. So yeah, I always feel a little preppy when I throw on a blazer. I always feel more put together and just professional, but the red really just makes it not basic. So I love this red blazer, and that is the look. All right, you guys, so those were a few of my maternity outfit ideas and, you know, my suggestions for closet staples to rock a fabulous, fashionable pregnancy. Also, I'll be putting all the information and links to my outfits down below in the description box. Thanks so much for watching. Hope this video was helpful, and I will see you on my next one. Bye.